Introducing Stripe by Liteline, a game-changing linear lighting system proudly engineered in Canada. Delivering 450 lumens per foot with 5 selectable color temperatures from 2700 Kelvin to 5000 Kelvin, Stripe combines high performance with unmatched flexibility. It features integral 120-volt dimmable drivers, and you can run up to 150 feet on a single circuit. Installation? Plug and play simple. Stripe uses the same connectors as the iconic LEDbar series, so you can repurpose your existing inventory with ease. It comes in 18, 24, 36, and 48-inch lengths, and with rotatable hubs and a range of junction box mounts that open the door to endless possibilities, from complex ceiling patterns to a sleek, wall-mounted linear sconce. Power it from the ends for seamless continuous runs, or from the back for a clean surface mount. Whatever the vision, Stripe adapts. Need help bringing your Stripe layout to life? Reach out to Max 2 for expert configuration support and design guidance.